Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my InShot application. And for example, I'm going to remove this emoji from my video. If you want to do that, first thing first, we need to duplicate our video. You can tap on your video and then you can go to the duplicate option, this one, and I'm going to make it as an overlay. We can click on the switch option. Okay, then I'm going to make my first video align with my second video. Oops. Okay, and after that, I'm going to add mask to the second video. I'm gonna tap on that and then we can select the mask. Okay, and I recommend you to choose the circle mask. Okay, then we can adjust the size of the mask like this, and you can take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. I'm just going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover the emoji. Right, okay, just like this, and then click on the check mark and you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. You can also zoom in or zoom out. Okay, and now as you can see that the emoji has been removed from my video. And then if you are not satisfied with the result, you can adjust the brightness or the saturation. You can go to the adjustment. Wait, I'm going to tap on the PIP and then go to the folder and select adjust. And I'm going to adjust the lightness a little bit. I'm just going to increase it like this. Okay, and I think it looks perfect. And then we can click on the check mark. And this is the final result. I guess that's all the way to remove unwanted object from our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.